Welcome to our video on understanding dual status tax returns for new U.S. green card holders. In this video, we'll explore what dual status returns are, how they apply to your situation if you've recently obtained a green card, and share some important tips and considerations. Let's take a look at the agenda for this video. We'll start with understanding what a dual status tax return is, followed by a specific scenario for green card holders receiving their cards mid-year. We'll then go over some key points, important considerations, and conclude with a summary of the topic. Let's dive into the concept of a dual status tax return. A dual status tax return applies to individuals considered both a non-resident and a resident of the U.S. during the same tax year. This situation often occurs for individuals who obtain U.S. residency, like a green card, partway through the year. Consider this scenario. You received your green card and moved to the U.S. in the second half of the tax year, and you had no U.S. income before. In this case, you will likely need to file a dual status tax return. According to the IRS, your residency starts on the date you obtain your green card. Let's highlight some key points. Your U.S. residency, for tax purposes, starts when you get your green card. As a dual status taxpayer, you can't claim the standard deduction and only pay taxes on income earned after becoming a resident. Finally, if you're married, you might choose to file a joint return as a full-year resident. It's time for a quick quiz. What is the residency start date for tax purposes for a new green card holder? Is it A, the date you move to the U.S., B, the date you receive your green card, or C, the start of the year? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is B, the date you receive your green card. For tax purposes, your residency in the U.S. begins the day you receive your green card. There are a few more considerations to keep in mind. If you're married, you might be able to file a joint return with your spouse if they are a U.S. citizen or resident, potentially benefiting from that status. Always consult IRS publications or a tax professional for personalized advice. To summarize, if you receive a green card mid-year, it's vital to understand your tax obligations. Filing a dual status tax return may be necessary, and consulting with a tax professional can help ensure accurate filing. Thank you for watching our video on dual status tax returns for new U.S. green card holders. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.